This industry is unique in that sense that normally engineers are designing and somebody else fabricates. Again, the building and bridge industry is kind of like that. But the utility structure industry is turnkey from that standpoint. You're giving a set of parameters, and you design the structures. You detail it, prepare the drawings. It goes out to a shop. They fabricate what you've designed and detailed, and and then you get a chance sometimes to go out and a field and see it erected, and ultimately get the line strung in and watch it perform its job. So it is pretty turnkey in that sense. I had a very unique opportunity to work for a mentor when I first joined American Pole Structures that taught me the lesson of going out into the shop every day. And he made sure that he and I walked out there. We took, a 45-minute break every day and walked out in the shop and watched fabricators fabricate the stuff we were designing, and talking to the fitters and the welders and the quality folks, and make sure that we understood what the pain points were of the things that we had created, and all in an attempt to try to improve the next time we did something along that line.
Yeah, now walk me through those interactions. When you're interacting with fitters and welders and quality folks on the shop floor, sometimes, and we see this all the time when we're in facilities doing auditing and things, there's sometimes a separation between the office staff and the folks on the shop floor. Kind of walk me through how that impacted you as you moved through your career, having those daily interactions and what value that brought.
It was wonderful. Most of those guys are not bashful to tell you what they think, and in very creative ways they'll tell you what they think. And sometimes you don't want to hear it, but it's very honest and very open, and again, it's a lesson learned that I think that I still cherish today. I think it taught me, when you graduate from engineering school, you think you know everything in the world, and then you get start to doing things, and people tell you don't know everything that there is to know, and it can be humbling. But it's also important to learn that lesson. There are people that may not have they may not could tell you what the thickness of steel needs to be, but they can certainly tell you a better way of making the parts that you've designed. So I think that was extremely important. And again, I look back as really a fond memory.